Welcome to the best picks. The Best Wax Warmer is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to achieve smooth, hair-free skin at home. Today, we're diving deep into the world of at-home waxing with a focus on the Kolua Wax Warmer. We'll explore its features, ease of use, and overall performance to help you decide if it's the right choice for your at-home beauty routine. Get ready to say goodbye to unwanted hair and hello to silky smooth skin. Number 5. KoluaWax Premium Waxing Kit for Women. This complete waxing kit is designed for women, perfect for beginners. It includes everything you need for a smooth, salon-quality experience at home. It's easy to use and suitable for all skin types. The kit comes with a digital wax warmer, silicone wax pot, pre- and post-wax oils, applicator sticks, and a detailed guide. It also includes 4 different wax bead bags for various hair types and body areas. This ensures you have everything you need for effective hair removal. This all-in-one hard wax kit is versatile and suitable for face, body, bikini, and Brazilian hair removal. Achieve smooth skin effortlessly with this top-rated kit. You can get professional results in the comfort of your own home. The wax machine features precise temperature control for a safe, burn-free experience. Heat the wax beads safely and enjoy up to 6 weeks of smooth skin. It's designed to be gentle on your skin while effectively removing hair. The non-stick silicone wax pot makes cleanup effortless. Melt the hard wax beads and then wash it in minutes. This feature makes the kit perfect for reusable use, saving you time and effort. Treat yourself or give it as a gift. Bring the salon experience home for indulgent pampering. It's perfect for self-care nights and makes a great gift for anyone who loves smooth skin. What we like. This kit offers a complete waxing experience, including pre- and post-care products. If you are a beginner looking for a comprehensive solution, you should consider this. The burn-free design and easy-to-clean pot make the process safe and convenient. What people say. The wax warmer is easy to use. It heats up quickly. It has a temperature control setting. Number 4. Tress Wellness Waxing Kit for Sensitive Skin. This waxing kit is famous. You may have seen it on your favorite news outlets and social media platforms. It's a popular choice for a reason. This complete kit has everything you need for at-home waxing. It includes a digital wax warmer, hard wax beads, waxing sticks, pre-wax spray, after-wax spray, protective collars, and a guide. It's designed to make waxing easy. The kit and hard wax beads are dermatologically tested and certified. This means it's safer for your skin. You can feel confident using it. This kit is beginner-friendly. It comes with an easy-to-understand manual. You also get access to the WaxPal app with detailed video tutorials from licensed estheticians. It's tough on hair but gentle on skin. This makes it ideal for sensitive areas like Brazilian or underarm waxing. It provides great results. What we like. This kit is dermatologically tested, ensuring it's safe for sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin and want a user-friendly kit with extra guidance, you should consider this. The tutorial app offers detailed videos from licensed estheticians. What people say. The wax warmer heats up quickly. It has an adjustable temperature control. The size is perfect for home use. Number 3. KOTAMU Digital Wax Kit for Home Salon. This all-in-one hard wax kit offers exceptional value and versatility. It includes a professional digital wax heater, an easy-clean silicone bowl, and 4 specialized wax formulas. You can achieve unparalleled results for every hair type right at home. This high-quality wax kit is backed by an industry-leading 5-year care plan. You can trust in its commitment to excellence. It promises superior performance for years to come. The wax machine for hair removal has been rigorously tested and approved by dermatologists. It's kind to your skin and suitable for all skin types. This reduces the risk of irritation and redness, making it a safe choice. This hard wax kit is tailored for every hair type and sensitivity. The wax formulas, enriched with plant extracts, offer an effective yet gentle hair removal solution. Enjoy lasting smoothness without the irritation. Designed for full-body use, this wax machine kit is effective for various areas. It works on eyebrows, face, underarms, legs, and more. It's an ideal choice for all your waxing needs, providing a one-stop solution. Perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike, this user-friendly kit includes everything needed. With detailed instructions and comprehensive guides, achieving flawless results at home has never been easier. What we like. This kit offers exceptional value with a wide range of accessories and wax formulas. If you are looking for a versatile kit suitable for all hair types and body parts, you should consider this. It is also dermatologically tested, making it safe for sensitive skin. What people say. The wax warmer is easy to use. It heats up quickly. The design is sleek and modern. Number 2. BLITZWAX Women's Waxing Kit. This kit offers 6 unique wax bean formulas. Each one is designed to enhance your waxing experience, from calming rose to refreshing cologne. The wax beads are hypoallergenic and non-irritating. This ensures a safe and soothing waxing process. The digital wax warmer allows for precise temperature management. This helps prevent burns and makes the process safer and more enjoyable. These wax beans grip even the toughest hair. It effectively removes hair from the root, leaving your skin smoother for longer. This comprehensive kit can be used on any part of the body. It's designed to handle all types of hair, from fine facial hair to coarse bikini lines. Ensure your skin is smooth and presentable for any occasion. It provides a professional, flawless finish, perfect for any event. What we like. This kit allows you to customize your waxing experience with different scented wax beads. If you like a personalized experience and want a kit that prioritizes safety and comfort, you should consider this. The precise temperature control ensures a safer and more enjoyable process. What people say. Double pot with silicone liner. Melts wax quickly and evenly. The temperature of the pot is adjustable. Number 1. Tress Wellness Bikini Star Wax Beads Kit. This kit is designed to be safe for your skin. The wax beads are dermatologically tested, ensuring a gentle experience. It is perfect for at-home use. This Brazilian hard wax is ideal for coarse hairs. It is perfect for the bikini and underarm area. This hard wax removes even the most stubborn hairs. The kit includes a 1.2 pounds bag of specially formulated bikini hair removal wax. It also comes with 12 application spatulas, everything you need for a smooth experience. The wax beads are dermatologically tested and certified. This minimizes irritation, providing a comfortable experience. The product is also cruelty-free, never tested on animals. The specially formulated hard wax beads can be used at your perfect temperature. This smoothest formula strip-free wax glides on easily. This allows for the smoothest home waxing application. The kit includes a waxing guide created with estheticians. It is packed with useful tips and tricks. This is great for both beginners and experienced users. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for bikini and Brazilian waxing. If you are looking for a kit that is tough on hair but gentle on skin, you should consider this. The dermatologically tested formula and smooth application ensure a comfortable experience. What people say. The wax warmer is easy to use. It heats up quickly. The temperature control is great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.